Good afternoon, 2E1CQ, another YouTube channel. This is my, see if I can take up the top of the page, my web interface for the Cisco SPA525G2 internet phone with the SIP networks for our ham radio hobby. A cool feature, it's been around, it's been here for a long time, or it's been on the phone for a long time, but it's only something I've actually taken notice of lately when I've got another network on the phone. Basically what you see here, and that's all the extensions. The 525 is a 5-line extension, and on line 5, and you can do it on all those extensions, is basically set a ringtone, so you can have different ringtones for a different network, and when somebody rings you, this particular ringtone would actually work. Now when you actually log into the 525, if I can go back up there again, you've got to log in, admin and advanced, so you can actually get to this particular page and go on extension, whatever extension you have, go down. You can actually do this on the phone in the menu, but I haven't actually done that yet. Cool feature settings. You can see a default ringtone number 5. I think there's about 11 or 12 ringtones, and they actually are different tones. Now on one of my 525s, I do have 2. If I dial the number for this extension, hopefully with a bit of luck you can actually hear it. Trying to remember, here it is, the extension number.
Are you there?
Can you hear that?
Are you there?
Now I think that's a pretty cool feature on one of the ringtones.
Are you there?
End that before it goes into an answer machine. And that is basically it. Now, doing a couple of searches on the internet, there's can't remember the site I was actually on, but you can actually download. I don't know how you add it to the phone, upload it to the phone's software. I honestly don't know. But rather than having a woman's voice, which is nothing wrong with it, you can have a man's voice telling you if there's anybody there. And there's other cool ringtones available. I thought I'd let everybody know. So if you want to set your phone up for your different SIP networks you have.
Are you there?
Oh, I pressed the redial then. That's all the networks I have. Once the tablet comes into focus. So if you want to set them up from line 1, which is at the top, all the way down to line 5 like I have, that's entirely up to you. But you can set anyone up you particularly like. I've gone down from 1 to 5. So line 5 is that ringtone you just heard. Number 4, I'm not too sure what number 4 is. And I can't really ring that at the moment because my other phone's on the other side of the room. So have a play yourself and see what you think. If anybody out there that can actually let us know what other ringtones we can actually have. There was a list on the phone here. So go into the phone tab. That's the ringtones we have. 12 ringtones. I've gone down to 1 to 5. Not too sure what the rest of them actually sound like. I should actually play with them and actually find out. I don't think you can actually change the name of those to anything you like. I don't think that would actually work. because it's obviously produced in a file format. Have a play. If anybody can let us know how you generate your own ringtones and upload it, that would actually be appreciated. 73's for now, from 2E1 CEQ.